Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what really is the difference between a data engineer as well as a data scientist. So this would be really fun. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So in this short video, we are going to discuss about their roles and responsibilities and how they collaborate with each other to convert raw data into some meaningful insights. So let's first start with the data engineers. So data engineers are really the architects of the data. So they are responsible for designing, building as well as maintaining the infrastructure which can collect, transforms as well as loads the data. So data engineers are experts in the ETL process, which is extract, transform and load processes, and also the data warehousing. And nowadays every data engineer deal with the big data in which the data is coming into any format. It could be structured, semi-structured as well as the unstructured data at a huge volume as well as the velocity. So that is the main responsibilities of a data engineer. So you can think of data engineers as the builders of the data highway. So now let's talk about the data scientists. So data scientists are really the detective of the data. So they will take a deep dive into your data set and uncover some patterns as well as extract the meaning out of your data. So that is the valuable task for every data scientist. So data scientists are skilled in the statistical analysis as well as machine learning and the data visualization. So you can call data scientists as interpreters of the data. So this was all about what are data engineers and the data scientists. But now let's discuss the difference between their roles and responsibilities so that you will get a clear idea of which sector is better for you. So data engineers are mostly focused on the data architecture as well as the data pipelines, and they will ensure the quality of the data with the higher scalability as well as the high availability of the application. Whereas data scientists will analyze the data, build the models as well as draw some meaning out of the data to solve the business problems. So the best part out of this is they collaborate. Yes, you heard it correctly. So data engineers and data scientists work hand in hand. So data engineers will provide all the data infrastructure and data scientists will convert that into the actionable insights. So this is the dynamic duo. So on the other hand, data engineers will provide the platform, or we can say foundation, and then the data scientists will add the insights into it. That's the perfect dynamic duo, I think so. So now let's talk about what are the tools and technologies required in both the fields and what are their major differences. So data engineers needs expertise in SQL as well as the big data technologies like Hadoop, Apache Spark and so on. As well as they should require expertise in any of the cloud platform like AWS, Azure, GCP, etc. And on the other hand, data scientists will need expertise in the programming language like Python and R, as well as the machine learning libraries and some of the best visualization tools out there like the Tableau or the Power BI. So now let's discuss about their career paths. So data engineers often progress their roles in the field of database administrator, cloud engineers as well as the data architects. And on the other hand, data scientists will step into further like the AI engineer, the machine learning engineer as well as the data science managers. And there you have it. This is the major difference between the data engineers as well as the data scientists. So you have to remember that data engineers will build the highway as well as data scientists will interpret the data. So those are the differences between these two major fields in the data world. So if you find this video insightful, I'll highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get the latest updates. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.